What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel for a different kind of video today, a PS5 unboxing. As you can see, the biggest thing I've heard about this is it's really big console. So what I've done, I've brought my old PS4 controller and console to test the size difference, but it won't be too long of a video, so let's just jump into it. And I'm sorry if the camera quality is not too good, I'm just using my phone to record this, but let's get into it. Alright, got some packaging here. It's probably for cables. We've got our controller, which is nice. I've just dropped it, but just some normal cables besides that. I think this is the mount for it. Comes with HDMI cable, which is nice, and the power cable. But let's open up this controller and let's have a quick look at the size. It does feel a little bit bigger compared to the old one. I'll compare these for you guys here. A little bit bigger, but I have to say it feels nice and smooth. The triggers feel really nice. So I'm looking forward to using that. And now time for the main event, the console. Alright, pulling this out. Nicely packaged. Does seem pretty big. Let's unwrap it, see what we got here. Alright, this thing is humongous. Which way does it go? I believe it goes this way. So that's it standing up. Standing up, I don't mind that it's too tall. It doesn't take up that much space being vertical as to my PS4. But let's just chuck this on its side. That should be fine. I've got no games in that. So it's not even that much bigger. I think people are over exaggerating how big it is. But as you can see, there's controller. Here's the PS5. Pretty flash, pretty shiny. I don't mind at all. And that's all that came with the box. I did get the digital edition, not the one with the disc drive, so I think it looks a little bit better, a little bit more slim. But that's going to be it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm looking forward to playing this. Thanks for watching.